Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you why won't your ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova earbuds charge. So actually this is a very cool issue to talk about. It's because this has its origin even in the charger itself. So the first tip I would recommend doing is that you have to check for different outlets, power outlets, different chargers and different cables. You can, for example, just try every single combination that's in your house to check if it will work. Of course, try different cables, different chargers, everything, different outlets. Try every single combination, and if it's you can start recognize the issue. But if it still can't charge after this couple of things, the issue may be that your software may be glitched. So yeah, if the software is glitched, we can do one single thing. Open the case, triple tap on the touch sensors, tap 4 times on the touch sensors. These LED lights should blink red 3 times, I think, or 4 times, and they should now go to the pairing mode, and you should see this. This is the factory set. Now we can check if it does charge. Apart from that, your headphones may be charging, but this is not indicated here because the LED light may be broken. So try to going into the phone and check if you see the charging there. If you don't, and try charging your headphones wirelessly with some wireless pad or something like that. But if it still doesn't work, what I do recommend is to go into the authorized service or contact the brand support just for help. They may replace your headphones, fix your headphones, refund money or something like that. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.